Hey everyone, it is already like 1 something, I think. I've gone and seen a client today and ran some errands. Now I've got to clean the mess that I left behind. So we're gonna do that today. Well, I do not have the girls, which is kind of rare. So that's nice. My mom is taking care of them. So I'm going to clean house before I go get them. Let's get it done. Got some cute stuff from Hobby Lobby, favorite store in the world. Sorry, can't see me. Got this cute little tape measure so I can measure closets and stuff, and a little bag to keep all of my work goodies. I found these cute little magnetic bookmarks. I thought they would be really good for my planner and stuff, so I grabbed just a little package of those. Oh, these are little, oh, these are cute. Just some of my little goodies. I need to finish cleaning. A clean bed makes for a good day in a kind of clean room. Eat, little Bruno. Eat. I'm done cleaning. I need to do some laundry. By some, I mean a lot of laundry. I've let it just pile up to fold it. I keep cleaning it and not folding it. So, I'm gonna take care of these crazy dogs. Outside. I promise, he's sweet. Just a grumpy old man. And he's a punk. I'm gonna release the beast off to the races. I hate when people pull in front of my house. I don't know. Do we have a visitor? I can see a man out there. Let's creep on him. I don't answer the door when I'm here alone. But I'll definitely creep on you. I'll see you. You're just not gonna see me. He's gone. Nothing exciting. Didn't get kidnapped. Oh well. Maybe next time. I don't know what to do with my life when I don't have my children saying, Mom! 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 So, can't really watch TV. I can wash this though. I'm gonna carry y'all to the laundry room with me. Oops. Now you can see me switch out the laundry. Clean bed sheets. And I cannot wait to get rid of their bunk beds. We are going to get them a queen bed. We actually already have the frame. I'm just going to paint it. It went with our bed set. And my oldest daughter agreed to share a bed with her little sister, which is huge. No more falling out of the bed. No more me climbing up there and almost breaking my neck trying to make the bed. That'll be great. I can't wait. I know there's gotta be more dirty laundry somewhere. There's more. There's always more. Always. Told ya. Found it. It never ends, guys. It never ends. I think, sorry. The hardest part about parenting and being a wife is keeping up with laundry. It sucks. It's heavy. I drag it with me, which is why they're all broken. Oh well. Don't care at all. Sometimes I wonder who all these little people are that come into my house and leave their clothes for me to wash, because I don't think we should create this much laundry, only being 4 people. It's insane. And I've gotten rid of a bunch. There's no hope. I'm going to attempt to remake the bag I tried to do this morning that I ruined because I'm an idiot. Let's try this again. Never have anything that I need where I need it. I need my own house and a big, big office. That would be lovely. Whew. It's lunchtime. My stomach is yelling, saying, feed me. Oh, perfect. All right, hopefully I have enough color of the one I want to use. And we can get this done. Danny's, does anybody else Cricut? I love it. It's a good investment. I can make anything and everything. It's awesome. Attempt 2. I think I failed again. Why do you hate me? I finally finished this bag after like hours of failing. Let me show it to y'all. There it is. Little bag to keep all my goodies in. I love it. I'm exhausted. I want to go to bed, and it's only 5:47. Gotta cook dinner and then bed. I think that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's see what we're gonna cook. What to eat? What to eat? Can we order pizza? I don't know what to cook for dinner. It is finally time for me to go to bed. Everyone else is in bed, fed, bathed, teeth brushed, all the above goodness. Hope you liked the video today. I hope you had a great day. I'm going to go to bed and cuddle with my little baby since her big sister is not here. And get her in the morning and start the day all over. Bye.